Hello, everybody. Welcome back to QuickTable. It's your boy Wilson again. And today, on today's How to series, we'll be talking about how to change the data format of a column in QuickTable. So, for every column in QuickTable, we have to the left of the column name. This tells us that this row is an integer. The data type is an integer. And here, this T tells us that this is a text. So on our ship date, we are getting type as text, but we would like it to be a date. So how do we change the data format from here? The data format of this ship date column from text to date. So we're gonna click on this icon. You see, T is a string, 123 is an integer, 0.0 is a decimal, and this says it's a boolean. Then here we have date. So we're going to click on date. Yes. So this gives us an original version of what we've got. Like this is what we have, and we want it to look like this. So you can also change your preferred date format depending on where you are on or how you're working with or how your team prefers to format date. So here we have while year, month, day. You can click on save. As you can see, our other date has been converted to a date format, and the data format, the icon here has changed to date. We can also do that with ship date and so on and so forth. We click on this, we click on date, and then we click on save. You could add a format here. You could change this format depending on your preferences. You click on save, and yeah, so that's how we can change our data format or the data type of a column from maybe an integer type to a decimal type or to a string or to a date format. Thank you so much for watching. Don't make sure to subscribe and click the notification button. Leave a comment in the comment section below if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Bye bye.